Cecilia sucked in a harsh breath. Tears wouldn't help her right now. Cautiously, she opened the door and slipped out, clutching the top to steady her shaking knees. She hadn't drunk that much of Dottie's crisis bottle. Footsteps crunched on the gravel, and a pair of obviously custom-made ostrich snip-toe boots, partly covered by blue denim frayed at the seams, crossed into her vision. The rough baritone slid over her in the same manner Dottie's whiskey had slid down her throat. Warm, with just the right amount of burn. "You okay?" "No thanks to you," she snapped, exhaustion getting the best of her, in spite of the panty-melting quality of the voice that belonged to the boots. She dragged her gaze up, covering a gasp when, for the second time that morning, brown eyes locked with hazel. Up close, they were even more magnificent, shades of green and gray surrounding a gold center that, when mixed, were heart-stopping, thanks to the so sexy it should be illegal dark fringe of lashes. Again, she was overcome with a distinct feeling she knew him, or had at least crossed paths with him. The question was where, and how, because she'd never seen a cowboy this fine, in or outside of Prairie. And what was up with his perfectly straight nose? How did a cowboy get to be his age without a broken nose? Every guy she knew in Prairie had suffered a broken nose at least once. Whoever he was, this guy wasn't a cowboy. She'd bet her demolished car on it.